In this video, we are going to be dealing with exponents. So exponents, more or less, are this. So say we're given, 4 cubed. What does 4 cubed mean? It means 4 times 4 times 4. It means we have, we're multiplying the 4 by itself 3 times. Say we have x to the 2, which means we have x times x. So using this, let's write out what we have in our equation. So we're given -3, -3, -3, -3, plus 2 times 2 minus 4 times 4 plus 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? And now something else we can notice. A negative times a negative will always equal a positive. No matter what you do, they always will. But a negative times a positive will always equal a negative. Okay? So using that, a negative number, let's call it just a negative number, squared will equal a negative number times a negative number, which will equal a positive number squared. So now let's focus on that and that separately. So -3 times -3, if we look at the stuff in red, sorry, wrong color. -3 times a -3 will equal a positive 3 squared. And another positive 3 squared. Now using the stuff we did in blue, 2 times 2 is 4, minus 4 times 4 is 16, plus, now let's break this up, just so it's slightly easier until you learn what 2 to the 4th is off by heart. So we know 2 to the 2 is 4 times 4, which is the same as writing 4 squared. So now we have to keep going. We know that 3 squared is 9, so that's 9 times 9, plus 4 minus 16 plus 16, and those two will cancel. So we're left with 9 times 9, which is 81, plus 4, which equals 85 as our final answer.